Summer in Marina Finochet can bring all sorts of things to the marina, like cars, and men with jet skis carrying the flag, and of course the turtles as well. They're spectacular. There's something else that it brings, a certain amount of lunacy. You'll enjoy this, a holiday weekend in Finochet, and it started with the market.
So, nectarines, I'm allowed them. Peaches, I'm allowed them. Avocados, I'm allowed them. Apricots, I'm allowed them. Plums, I'm allowed them. White lemons, I'm allowed them. Oh, I'm allowed everything. Ah, coriander, look at that, coriander. I'd have some of them peaches, some of them apricots, but they've been near the coriander. Oh, it looks like they're green gages as well. Tell me if you think that they are green gages. They do look like it. We come back from our lunchtime, well, pre-lunch walk. Had a little wander down to the town to try and get my steps up. When we got back, all of these were up. So now apparently that pole over there that we looked at yesterday is a greasy pole, and they're all going to try and climb it. So that'll be fun. We'll try and get some footage of that.
Apparently they put a flag on the end.
They put a flag on the end.
The guys have got to climb it and get the flag.
You could have a go at that, Di.
Yeah, sure.
He's quite young, that one, isn't he?
There's another one over there. Right next to the beer can.
Right next to the beer can, yeah. Hello, mate. What are you up to?
Breakfast.
Yeah, tiny bit bigger, that one, isn't he?
Lots of fish down there.
Plastic bags there, beer can there. The trouble is that the river comes down the hill from up here and comes into that corner of the marina and the far corner. So anything that's left in the riverbed or carelessly discarded on by accident actually ends up in the marina. It makes the marina look bad. Look, two of them. One there. One there. Makes the marina look bad. So apparently the idea is to grab the flag from the end of the pole. I kind of think that's cheating a little bit, but hey, technology's there, use it. No, they're just guys are just setting it up. This is going to be fun. Ansh's filming their same footage, different perspective. So the PA system's being put up. Look, first, second, and 2/3. Well, there you go. And sponsored by what looks like the local council. And now they've started greasing the pole. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy this.
Hey, geldi. Ses. Bu yeni bir mikrofon.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's all working, mate.
Deneme 1, 2, 3. Ses kontrol.
So I'm going to try and talk over the bloody music because of the copyright. But there you are, general purpose grease. That'll do the trick.
These guys were really good and great entertainment. The crowd really loved it, especially when they took the Turkish flag all around the marina. Now, in a minute you'll see that they start doing what can only be described as aerobatics, hydrobatics, I don't know. But watch for the guy doing the backflip. The next lot of entertainment was provided by the young men of the town. They were taken to a point outside the marina and dropped in the sea, at which point they had to swim back. First back won a prize. I didn't get to see all of this, and the drone footage wasn't particularly good, especially in the bright sunlight. But these guys swam, I guess, a mile and a half, something like that. They were then helped out of the marina by local dignitaries and some of the Coast Guard. Well done, guys, great entertainment. It was then time for the highlight of the day, the greasy pole, and there were no shortage of young men queuing up to take the flag, and plenty of onlookers as well. Just watch this.
Good lad. Look at that.
Evet, listeyi alabilir miyim?
Well, I have to say, Turkey has been brilliant. We've loved every minute of it that we've been here. And yes, we've had a few personal setbacks, but hey, just look at this. And the people and the culture. I don't know where else in the world I'd rather be at the moment, especially with all the mayhem that's going on. Listen, don't forget, give us a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, buy us a beer, or even think about becoming a Patreon. Join the Patreon crew. We'd love to have you aboard. Sail safe, guys.